Okay, Rod, it's Mitch Gersten here with my buddy Peter, and we're going to try to demonstrate that for you. We've done it a couple of ways, and it does appear that there is deformation at the base plate about the pivot point at the column, and it's tough to show on this thing. We're pretty convinced it's not in the floor, so we're going to go ahead and try to do it for you. So go ahead, Pete, give it a shot.
Pushing very hard.
There, I can see it now. You see that, Rod? It's subtle, but it's there. I'm going to back out. Keep going, Pete.
But you got to take a picture of how the pump's going.
There's Peter just doing it with his fingertips. And there's the movement at the top. Yeah, can you see that deformation just a few inches to the right of the weld? Anyway, I think that's the best we're going to be able to do. I might try a different lighting approach, but we'll do that next.